How to add background songs to Snapchat. So if you want to also add music or background songs to your snaps that you send, you can easily do that. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can do the steps. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. To get started, open up your Snap, and here firstly take a snap. After you take a snap, here on the right you'll see tons of options. Along with that, you'll also see an option for music. You can tap on that, and now it will show you all the musics that are available. You can also search the music if you want, or if you know the name of. For now, I'm going to use this music. You can simply tap on it and you can see that the song has shown up on the bottom. You can adjust it to however you want, and after that you can tap this check mark, and after a few seconds you can see that the music has been added. I've reduced my volume so you couldn't hear the music, but the music is playing on the snap. Now if you tap on next, you can share the snap to anyone, and the people who open it will also be able to hear the song that you added. So that's how easily you can add background songs to Snapchat. If you guys like this video and found this video to be helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and we will be back soon with more interesting content similar to this.